Why am I opening this right before I'm supposed to go live? Because it's a Free People box, and I absolutely love selling Free People online on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a part-time reseller, so I buy these boxes from Jomar Wholesale, and I turn around and flip them online on sites like eBay and Poshmark for profit. I've also started selling to Thredup, and I'm on Etsy. I sell digital documents like my reseller to-do list on Etsy. All the information for those things are linked in the description. Okay, this is a box from Jomar Wholesale. It's called Boho Brand Assorted Mix. They stopped putting Free People box. I don't know what that has to do with, maybe the brand. They call it the Boho box, so look for it as the Boho box. And then when you see the pictures, you'll notice the Free People tag. This is samples, 10 pieces of assorted women's clothing. The price on this was $200, but I used a discount code. You can use my discount code. It's the Grateful Queen, all one word. Whenever you shop on Jomar, if you put that into the coupon or discount code area, you get a discount. I earn credit, so it's a win-win, and I appreciate you so much, anybody who uses my code. A lot of you will send me a message on Instagram or YouTube saying, hey, I used your code, and then let me know how your box is. These are mystery boxes, you guys, and mystery boxes are always risky. I've gotten boxes that are like, and then I've gotten boxes that blow my mind, and then everywhere in between. So I always say manage your expectations. Sometimes they're amazing, sometimes they're just okay. I'm really happy with what I get, and I try and share that with you here on the channel so you can get an idea and gauge your expectation. I love a mystery box. I've got samples before, and let me show you. The sample tag looks a little bit different. So instead of it being like pink and white like the normal Free People tag, it looks like this. The awesome thing is all the information's on the tag. So this is called the Crush on You tank. When you get samples, it's usually size extra small. Maybe you'll get a small in there, but with Free People, everything's oversized, so you don't have to worry about it too much if you're getting stuff for yourself. So this is a tank top. It's by We the Free, which is just one of the many Free People lines, and it's an oversized tank. Now, if you don't know, this color, this teal, is the most flattering color on like every human being, so that's a great color. I don't know, I've never had my colors done. Have you guys? Let me know in the comments. But that teal color supposedly is the one that looks fantastic on everybody, and that's what I've seen too. Ooh, yes, this one might be staying here with Quenby. This is We the Free, and it's an oversized white linen top. Yes, please, I love living.
Yeah, that's a weird thing to say.
If you don't know, I include my bloopers at the end of every video. It's probably the best part of the whole video. So meet me at the end to watch the bloopers so we can laugh at me, with me, and have a little fun. See you there. I love wearing white. I live here in Northern California near San Francisco, so I can wear things we might consider like summer all year round. This one does not have any tags on it. And that's okay. When you buy sample stuff or wholesale, that's the way it's gonna go. And they usually say in their description, new and new without tags. I hear Torvald coming out of his room to drink water and go to the bathroom. I'm
recording. Yes, I am. I told her I was going to be. Mom-like.
So this one has none. Sometimes they have a sample tag inside. So if I see that, I'll show you what I mean. Ooh, I love these thermally types.
And you guys should probably leave a like on this video and subscribe, because why not?
Because why not? He's my little marketer. Leave a like on the video and subscribe and turn on the bell. The bell's really important because that's how you get the notifications. Like if I'm doing a live unboxing, or I do a reseller community night every Friday, or a new video comes out, you want to know. So this is awesome. These are the types of items that do really well by the brand. This is it's military mixed V-neck. And it's like a thermal. Oh, this is so cute. Cute. So many great details on it. It has this kind of mixed media where there's different fabric types. It comes to a cuff there. Really, really cute. I love that. And then it has almost like studding here. So when I'm looking at the thrift store or other places for Free People items, I'm usually looking for the dresses. Dresses do really well. I'm looking for current items. And then there are certain things within the brand that do really well, like all their thermals. They do a waffle knit thermal, and those do really well, especially if there's some kind of embellishment, like a studding or an embroidered cuff. And it's a very romantic boho brand, so you want to look for things like lace, crochet, eyelet, bell sleeves. The color ivory and white usually do really well for me. So that's what I'm usually looking for. And things are very oversized, so I usually put measurements in my listings. Not usually, I do it every time. I put measurements in all my listings all the time. This is another oversized kind of cream beige top. It feels amazing. This one also has no tags. It's an extra small, but it's crazy big. And to me, it feels like a linen. Really, really nice. Gosh, just like so comfy and nice. It feels amazing. Oh wow, this is cool. The Parker wrap skirt in Blondie Beach in a 26. Okay, it's a denim skirt, but it has a wrap front. It has tons of distressing and destroyed denim. So my title, when I go to list this on eBay or Poshmark, I want to use a title with keywords, and I want it to be a great title so people can find my item. Think about all the Free People skirts that are on Poshmark. You want your title to stand out. I list everything first on eBay with a lot more details, and you get a longer title on eBay. So my title for this would be Free People Women's Skirt 26, and then I'd probably put XS for extra small. Then I would put the name of it, Parker wrap skirt, and then I would put denim, destroyed, distress, wrap front, and then sometimes I'll put the wash, like medium wash or dark wash. Use every single keyword that you can. What is this? Is this like a blanket? Like, it's like this fleece thing, and it's all tied up, so I'm not sure. If you have other great keywords, like if you have favorite keywords or something, pop them in the comments, because people read the comments and we can help each other out and learn from each other there. This is like, I don't even know. You guys, I don't even know. Wow. Okay, this is a substantial piece. So I guess this is like a jacket. And obviously you can get a lot more for a jacket than you can for a tank top. Like a new tank top like that probably retailed for $78, and I can probably put it on there for $40 with best offer, and I'll be really happy to get like $30 for a new with tag. But then a jacket like this. So here's the other Free People tag. It's that bar. It says Free People. And this is, I hope I can find a stock photo. It's a long, fleecy open front jacket. So that's like amazing. I'm a little too close to the camera, but let me see if I can. I'm gonna do a little try on. Let me push this back. And Free People's known for this. I'm gonna push you back maybe. I don't know if you can see, but oh my gosh, talk about coziness. Super long with pockets. Oh my god, yes. It actually looks good with this outfit, doesn't it, you guys? Wowzer. I really love that. So this does not have a tag, although I see a tag down here. Oh, maybe it's this one. I see a tag right here that says Navy Combo, size extra small. And you're always looking for this number with Free People. It'll start with OB, and then it'll be a long number. You'll find it usually inside on the material tag. You put that into Google, and then you get the name of the item. And maybe you choose to use stock photos, maybe you don't. I use stock photos because it's my business, and I'm an adult, and I get to decide for myself what works for me. And guess what? You're an adult, and it's your business, and you get to decide what works best for you. Tips. I don't know. So this is awesome, and I see another one in there, so maybe I can keep one and sell one. And for stuff like this, I sometimes feel like you do need the stock photo because, well, you could put it on your mannequin, but I mean, if I put that on a hanger, it's like you can't tell the shape, you can't tell what it's going to be like. I'm not counting my items, but I'm going to because my friend James, hey James at Antique Boutique, said, count your items. Okay, so this is another like distressed raw tank top. I'm saying raw because it has like raw hems there, which is very trendy, and I put it in my title so that when the person gets the items, they know that it's intentionally raw. Or I'll always put in the condition, intentionally destroyed denim or intentionally distressed. So it was manufactured this way. This is the vacay tank. I love that. Vacay! Vacay tank, I love you. This was 10 items. It feels like I got more. I'm gonna count it up. Okay, another skirt. And this one is in olive sparrow is the color. I love olive sparrow. The Isa mini skort. Oh, skort. Let me show you what I'm dealing with here. So a skort is when, well, it can be both. Like it's a skirt with built-in shorts. It's a skort, but this one's actually like shorts. Like in the back it's shorts, and the front it's a skort. I don't know, this would probably look amazing on someone. I will add, for you people trying to learn more about Free People, things that are military inspired do really well. So they make a lot of like military inspired jackets with patches, with this olive green, like a cargo utilitarian, is that the right word? Utility. Like a cargo utility jacket, anything that looks military, I put that right in my title. Military, army green, because that stuff sells well too. Okay, it looks like I have another one of these jackets, and this one has the tag actually on it. So yay, because this will go for a decent amount. I got one more item down here, baby. And this is a little item. So I like that they gave me a combination. I got 2 jackets, 2 substantial items, a denim skirt, a military inspired skirt, and then a bunch of tank tops. And like, I like that it wasn't just all tank tops, because I have to think about the cost of goods you put in and then what your return's going to be. This is a super cute little brown ribbed button front tank. This one does not have tags. When it doesn't have tags, but it's clearly new, I put new without tags. And then in the condition, I'll put new without tags, no tags, never worn item, never been worn or washed. It's new, but there's no tags. I'm very selective about when I do that. I feel confident doing it because this is a box of new stuff, wholesale stuff. But if I'm ever not sure, I'll put pre-owned, and I might put like excellent condition. But I think that was an amazing box. What do you guys think? I always love hearing from you in the comments. So thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. I didn't need that second coffee today, but I went to Zumba. I just felt a little sluggish. Like, it's weird. On the days I go to Zumba, I have more energy and I feel better, but I also can feel really hungry and a little bit tired. So I was like, Quimby girl, you're gonna need another coffee today. Seriously. Box issues. All right, guys, I think that was pretty good. I'm like really stoked on that box. I have nowhere to put anything. Did I need a bunch more inventory? Probably not, but do I love it? I love it so much. I love it, love it, love it. Do you guys? I love a mystery box, box, box. We were doing that in Zumba today. She's like, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Thing. Let's do it. I'm going live in like 30 minutes, so I'm not going to talk too much in this video. Otherwise, my voice will be tired, if that makes sense. Let me get my water, and does this look okay? I think it's a little higher than usual, but whatever. Oh my God, I swear, I did Zumba today, and then I just ran up and down the stairs with this box. But are you ready now, Q? I think so. Let's get it going. Oh, see some denim in here. And I am careful about getting denim. Of course, I sat down to do the video, and once again, I don't have my water. So I start yapping and my mouth gets dry. So you'll have to just hold a minute. That's really attractive to hear me like coughing in the video. Okay, I'm dropping the clothes in the haul. Oh, size 26, so again, like an extra small. This is the Parker rack That did not come out right. Let me try it again. Tips. I was gonna say free tips, but that sounds really weird. Tips. Tips for stuff you already know. Stick around here, you're just gonna get a few laughs, that's for sure.